in order for there to be love and all of that, there has to be justice. There has to be a sense that we're doing things right.
The Catholic Diocese of Buffalo files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Good evening, everyone. Ashley Rowe is off tonight. Today's legal action allows the church to continue operations as it deals with mounting sex abuse lawsuits. Our team coverage begins tonight live outside diocesan headquarters in downtown Buffalo with senior reporter Eileen Buckley.
Well, Jeff, now this Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing is designed to protect the Buffalo Diocese assets and protect it from its creditors. Now, in court filings, it's stated that it's estimated the diocese is facing between $50 million to $100 million in estimated liability.
I'm careful not to use the word bankruptcy, even though we are in a bankruptcy court, because a lot of people are of the impression maybe that the diocese is running out of money. We can't meet our obligations to our employees, which is not true.
Apostolic Administrator Bishop Edward Scharfenberger did appear in U.S. bankruptcy court Friday morning, just hours after filing for Chapter 11 protection for the Diocese of Buffalo. Court documents say the diocese has between $10 million to $50 million in assets. It owes $3.5 million to a list of 20 top creditors. M&T Bank tops the list at $1.6 million, but the others are 19 victims who filed child sexual abuse lawsuits against the diocese. The bankruptcy court judge asked if priests with substantiated allegations against them are being paid. We asked that question at the news conference with attorney Stephen Donato responding. Regarding payment to the retired priests and that the ones that have been removed, are they still being paid? Can you clarify that so that people in general know where that money is going in this bankruptcy process?
To the extent that there is a claim owed to a clergy on the substantiated abuse list, which is on the website, to the extent that there were any funds owed to them as of today, so that would be due prior to the filing, those will not be paid.
Bishop Scharfenberger says Catholic schools and parishes are not part of the bankruptcy filing.
The health of the diocese is in the health of its parishes. So, and the same with Catholic Charities as well, too, and other affiliated agencies. They are not involved in this.
The bishop says no parish donations will be touched and remain separate from bankruptcy.
But not for the purposes of doing settlements. In other words, I guess to say it in very clear terms, no money comes out of collections in order to resolve claims.
The bishop says the filing is not a stunt to deflect from the lawsuits filed against the church. Now, you can expect this to be a very lengthy process. The next court date for the diocese in bankruptcy court is set for March 26th. Jeff, I'm going to toss it back to you in studio.